Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Levent, what do you do?
I'm an English tutor and a podcaster. What about you?
I'm an office worker and a podcaster.
And today, we're teaching about jobs.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today, we will learn about jobs and work,
How to ask someone about their job.
and how to answer.
This is important for meeting new people.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does.
Okay, so, Levent, are you ready? Let's learn some common jobs.
Job number 1 is teacher.
A teacher works at a school and helps students learn.
Repeat, teacher,
Teacher.
teacher.
I am a teacher.
Job number 2 is doctor.
A doctor helps sick people get better.
Repeat, doctor,
Doctor.
doctor.
My sister is a doctor.
Job number 3 is nurse.
A nurse works in a hospital and helps doctors.
Nurse,
Nurse.
nurse.
Nurses work very hard. Job number 4 is engineer.
An engineer designs and builds things like buildings, machines, or software.
Repeat. Engineer.
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 My brother is an engineer. Job number 5 is driver.
A driver drives a car, bus, or truck for work.
Repeat, driver,
Driver.
driver.
Taxi driver, bus driver, truck driver. Job number 6 is cook or chef.
A cook prepares food. A chef is a professional cook in a restaurant.
Repeat. Cook.
Chef.
Cook.
My uncle is a chef. He makes delicious pasta.
Job number 7 is waiter or waitress.
Remember from the restaurant episode? They serve food.
Repeat. Waiter.
Waitress.
Waiter.
She works as a waitress.
Job number 8 is shop assistant.
A shop assistant works in a store and helps customers.
Repeat. Shop assistant.
Shop assistant.
Shop assistant.
I worked as a shop assistant when I was young. Job number 9 is office worker.
An office worker works in an office with computers and papers. Repeat. Office worker.
Office worker.
Office worker.
Many people are office workers.
Job number 10, student.
A student is someone who learns at school or university.
Repeat. Student.
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 Are you a student? Many of you are students learning English.
Yes, you're all English students.
Now, let's learn how to ask about someone's job.
Question 1. What do you do?
This is the most common way to ask about someone's job.
Repeat. What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
For example, what do you do, Jennifer?
I'm a teacher.
Question 2. What's your job?
Another way to ask. More direct.
Repeat, what's your job?
What's your job?
What's your job?
What's your job, Levent?
I'm an English teacher.
Question 3. Where do you work?
This asks about the place where you work.
Repeat. Where do you work?
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
Where do you work, Jennifer?
I work at a language school.
Question 4. What does your father, mother, brother, sister do?
Use this to ask about other people's jobs.
What does your father do?
What does your mother do?
What does your sister do?
Levent, what does your brother do?
My brother is an engineer.
Now let's learn how to answer these questions.
Answer pattern 1. I'm a blank.
Or shorter, I'm a.
Examples. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm a student.
I'm an engineer.
Repeat, I'm a.
I'm a.
I'm a.
Important. Use a or an before the job.
Use an if the job starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U.
Examples. I'm an engineer. I'm an office worker. I'm an artist.
Use a for all other jobs. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm a nurse. Answer pattern 2. I work as a job.
Examples. I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as an engineer.
Repeat. I work as a.
Answer pattern 3. For the place where you work. I work at specific place. I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I work at a restaurant.
I work in general place. I work in an office. I work in a factory. I work in a store.
Repeat. I work at.
Conversation 1. First meeting.
Nice to meet you. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
Oh, interesting. Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
That's great.
Let's repeat that slowly. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. What about you?
I'm an engineer.
Oh, interesting. Where do you work?
I work at a tech company.
That's great.
Conversation 2. Asking about family.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He works at a hospital.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches math.
Wow, both are teachers.
Yes, we have a family of teachers and doctors.
Conversation 3. Job details.
So you're a nurse?
Yes, I work at City Hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love helping people. It's a good job.
That's wonderful.
Let's practice.
I am a blank. Someone who teaches.
The answer is I am a teacher. My father is a blank, someone who helps sick people.
The answer is my father is a doctor.
She works in a blank, place with desks and computers.
The answer is she works in an office.
Now practice asking. Repeat after us.
What do you do?
Where do you work?
What does your father do?
What's your job?
Perfect.
Now tell us about you.
Answer these questions out loud.
What do you do?
Where do you work?
Do you like your job?
What does your father do?
What does your mother do?
Excellent practice.
Great job today.
You learned about jobs and work.
You learned these jobs: teacher, doctor, nurse, engineer, driver, cook, waiter, shop assistant, office worker, student.
And you learned to ask, what do you do? Where do you work? What's your job?
And to answer, I'm a job. I work at or in place.
Practice with your friends. Ask about their jobs.
In the next episode, we're learning about shopping.
How to ask prices. How much is it?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below. Tell us, what do you do? Say, I'm a.
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.